The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you? On this Friday morning, it is the 25th day of August. The brand new advisory from the National Hurricane Center just came in. The winds now in Hurricane Harvey have reached 105 miles per hour. When it gets to 111 later on today, it will be a major Category 3 hurricane. It's heading towards Texas. It'll be the first major hurricane to cross the U.S. coastline in about 12 years. That would have been Wilma. And I'm not exaggerating when I tell you this will be a huge American tragedy. I mean it. And then the question becomes, what happens to Harvey after Texas? When would we have any effects, or will we have any effects from this storm eventually? I think it may be 5 days away, but we'll run it down for you. A lot of good information. Plus, how would you like some more comfortable temperatures? I mean, a nice temperature trend forecast. Of course you would. I'll run it down on this video. It starts right now. That rapid intensification cycle has slowed, but still the storm is growing stronger and is rotating towards the Texas coast, becoming better organized. Now moving northwest at 9 miles per hour, winds 105. The pressure has dropped to 967 millibars. Hurricane warning in effect along the Texas coast, and it's going to stick around for much of the weekend, unfortunately. And the spaghetti models bear that out. It just kind of spins around and stays right where it is all weekend long, producing prolific amounts of rainfall, catastrophic flooding. GFS takes it eventually towards Louisiana and then into Arkansas. Those are the GFS ensemble members. And in the European, the other global model, eventually does the same thing, takes it towards Lake Charles and up through Louisiana and into Arkansas. But it's going to take a few days for that to happen. And in the meantime, rainfall totals easily, and I'm very conservative here, 20 to 30 inches, maybe 35 inches or more, 8 to 10 inches even up the Arklatex region once it leaves Texas eventually. And then we look at our situation with the front stalled near the coast. We're generally dry today. I think we're going to be mostly sunny with a high temperature up to about 92. Tonight's low 72. That may be the last day we're in the 90s for a while. A nice little easterly breeze at 6 to 12 miles per hour develops, and that easterly breeze will be the key to making our temperatures more comfortable. Upper 80s, I think, will be tomorrow, and generally dry. I think we'll be in the mid-80s Sunday. Meanwhile, we look at Harvey, between Corpus Christi and Galveston on Sunday, and still spinning around on Monday. For us, the rain chances are small because of the subsistence around the storm. And then we see on Tuesday maybe some movement towards the northeast, and eventually this thing moves towards the Lake Charles area. This is the European model we're looking at, and maybe we pick up some fringe effects by Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening with showers and thunderstorms from Harvey. And Thursday, could there be a tornado threat? Yeah, that's certainly possible. That's a strong tropical cyclone located near Shreveport and then up into Arkansas on Friday. So, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we start to pick up effects here in Alabama, and we'll be watching that and refining that. So I've got the rain chances very small Saturday and Sunday, and still relatively small Monday. It's not till midweek when we start to pick up. Look at the temperatures, though. Highs in the 80s, lows down to about 70, even some upper 60s. So a nice temperature trend for us with the warmest temperature today, but then that nice trend sets in Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday with some comfortable temperatures. In the meantime, that other tropical system is 92L near the southwest coast of Florida around Fort Myers, and has a 40% chance of development. Probably will become Tropical Storm Irma eventually, maybe tease the Carolina coast as Irma, and then out into the Atlantic. We'll continue to watch that as well. What's going on in the rest of the tropics, the Atlantic, the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico? Pretty quiet, but there is some new stuff coming off of Africa that we'll have to watch, and we'll do that, certainly. No doubt about it. I will keep you up to date on this very compelling story involving Harvey and our future with Harvey as we go through the weekend. No video scheduled. The next scheduled video is Monday morning, depending on if there's any new significant developments that require a video, okay? Have a great day today, and I'll talk to you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.